In this video, I will show you how to get free items in Roblox in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on Roblox. So what you want to do first is come across to roblox.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Next, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner. You're going to see some options, and what you want to do is click onto the marketplace option. So this is where you can come to actually find free items on Roblox. Now there is actually a few things you can do to see all the currently available free items. So to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to the left hand side, and if you know the name of the username that's offering free items, you can press their name into here. If you don't know a specific username and you just want to see what's free, then what you can do is come up to the all creators option up here. And then what you're going to want to do again is come to this left hand side, and if you come down to the section that says sorts and go ahead and click onto the option that says price low to high down here, what it's going to do is refresh the page and you're going to see all the available free items. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a long list of items that are available for free. And of course you can go ahead and download any of these items. So that's just a quick tip I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If it did help, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.